known in Wali Range, very well known in the community, and he has contributed a lot towards this campaign. A very, very strong voice in our community, because wherever he goes, he raises his voice on anything that's singled out and he thinks that is wrong. So please.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I thank the people of Gaza to make us feel that we are an ummah, and we all need to thank the people of Gaza. The political activism since October is subhanAllah. I used to tell actually, the word ummah is a romantic word. You know, I speak Arabic, so I used to tell an imam, al-kalima romansiyya. But I tell subhanAllah, we might be ummah weak, but we are still there and we are alive. So we all need to thank. What I'm going to say you is, as my brother, beloved brother and sister, we've been voting so long, and when you cook a pot of rice, this is an Asian saying, that you don't check the whole rice, you check one. During the Tony Blair regime, after the repeated bombardment of Afghanistan and Iraq, the treasury is nearly empty. So the conservatives came back and they increased the tax, and also on, you all know, all you are businessmen, what you're paying, electric, gas and all that. And now they want to come back. So all I'm asking the Labour, that if you are back in the power, which country will you decide to bomb again? So we have to pay you back more taxes. Thank you very much. I wish you all good luck and inshallah Allah will success.
Thank you, Abdul Bhai. I would like to call our beloved Uncle Shadagar here with